Good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you on Friday, October the 25th. And I had a green day today. I was up nicely because of my UProfit account. My UProfit account, I am just rocking on that thing. Today we were up $1,320. I'm trading that account so well. As a whole, we're 52,200. So I've got $2,210 in profit on that account in 4 days. Had a couple really nice trades here this morning. The biggest one was right here as we crossed the 600 level. I just bought this right here and held on. That was a $1,000 trade in the morning session. Then I had one in the pre-market that was also about a $600 trade, and then I had a losing trade in here. But yeah, I don't know. I am just trading that account so well, and that was really where the big part of the profits come. Again, up 1,300 on that account today, which is great. But my poor Apex accounts, I could not buy a win. I have had these things. I ended up down 681 on my 5 Apex accounts. So down, $140, nothing major. But here's the roller coaster. Today feels like a red day. It really does. It feels bad because I overtraded, way overtraded. At one point today, I had these accounts in the hole by about $240. About $240 per account. So I was down over $1,000 in the red. Brought them all the way back up, and at the end of this move down here in the afternoon, I was actually up about $60 per account. So we were up about 300, a little over 300 on the day on the Apex accounts. Couple that with the 1,300 increase that I had from UProfit. What a nice day. But I decided to try to be more aggressive and go for more. Why? Now it's like, hello, what was I thinking? And through this little move right here at the end of the day, I just gave it all back. I could not get a win to save my life. And I just kept thinking that this is going to hold this 350 or 20,530 level. And we're going to continue with further upside. And we would get these nice setups, a little bit of a move, and then it would fall apart. Another nice setup, you'd get a little bit of a move and then fall apart. Like I would get, 18, 20 ticks in profit repeatedly, but I never could get the big move. And I mismanaged a little bit right here. I had a great entry and I got out of that trade for $20. I really should have got out of that trade for about $80 in profit. But to be fair, I was actually trying. I thought I got stuck in my brain that we would go back and retest these 600s this afternoon. And that's really what my play was. After we reversed right here, I thought, all right, we're going to go back up and test the 600s. I mean, how stupid? Why become so biased and why try to predict what the market's going to do rather than just trade what's there? And that was my undoing. And I let some really nice trades, I didn't take profit on some really nice trades that I should have taken profit on because I was too aggressive and just too biased in my thinking and just, nickel and dime. This was one trade. I held this trade for almost half an hour. Great entry, good signal there. We went up to about $40 in profit. I was just trading one micro. The volatility today, I was trading one micro for pretty much the whole day. And I do think that has a bit to do with how I traded today because I'm so used to trading with multiple contracts with these accounts. And then I can take one off and I can take another one off and I can get some profits. And then, I don't know, I just trade better. And with the single account or the single contract, I'm trying to set my target, and then it's very difficult for me to take profit if we're not at that level. I'm like convinced we're going to get there, and then, like was the case here, we bumped our heads against this, and I should have taken profit and just said, you know what, screw it, I'm taking my $40 and moving on. Well, I didn't, and just let this thing sit, and then all at once we just fell apart. And I took a $40 loss instead of a $40 profit. So there's an $80 swing. That's big on these accounts. And then here at the end of the day, this candle, the candle right here where my cursor is, was actually red with a long wick, or green with a long wick. Very much looked like, all right, we're finally going to bounce up. And we were right at the open. This red line is actually initial balance low, which was the open this morning. So we actually closed down just a little bit for the day today. But in any case, I just thought, okay, this is going to bounce. And went in again and again. It was a fake out, didn't happen. So I don't know, just I did not trade well today. On the Apex accounts, for sure, I did not trade well today. I took some really nice setups on the UProfit account. Why I didn't follow suit over here, I don't know, but it is what it is. So we have to deal with a red day. On the evals, I only traded my take profit one, hit the max loss of $1,000, so no biggie there. Just another day in that on that account. So but again, I mean, my accounts, I'm just kind of sitting, I'm just kind of floating along here. I'm looking at here we go. This is for the week. You can kind of see I really didn't lose very much at all on the week on my Apex accounts. You know, I'm down anywhere from 70 to $200 per account, which is about what we were up last week. And then my UProfit account, I mean, we're killing it. So go figure. One of the things I have to do is figure out how far I'm going to take that account before I take a payout. I need one more day. I'm on day 4. I need one more day on that account to take a payout, I believe, if I'm understanding it correctly. So I believe you have to have 5 days of over $200 per day, which I'm on day 4, and we've had over 200 per day. And then I believe that if you're over 2,000, you can request a payout, but then I believe I lose my drawdown. So I'm kind of thinking I'm going to at least get this thing to like 3 or 4, maybe 5,000 in profit before I request anything, and try to keep a bit of a buffer. I kind of feel like I should keep a $2,000 buffer. So essentially, let's say I get this account to 53,000 and I withdraw 1,000. I would have 52,000 in the account, but I no longer have my static drawdown of 48. My drawdown is now at 50,000. That's the account. So we'll see, but it's going well with that account, and I just want to continue to try to stay focused on it and take good setups and trade it well. And honestly, I have to admit, the thought process today, or one of the thoughts that went through my mind today was, well, you know, why in the last couple of days I have not traded very well on Apex. I mean, I didn't have any mega losses, but I just didn't trade well. I took a lot of trades, and I wondered in my mind, I'm going to ponder this weekend, would I be better off to increase my daily loss to maybe 300 and then go back to trading minis, or increase my micro size to where my stop loss is bigger than $40, because I'm basically trading with a $40 stop loss. If I'm trading one micro like I was for most of the day, you know, I'm trading with one micro is 20 points. Am I thinking that correctly here? Let's just look. 80 ticks is my stop loss with one micro. If I'm trading 2 contracts, I'm still at a $40 stop loss, but now I have a 40 tick stop. Or stop loss. So, whoops. So in any case, maybe what I need to do is increase that risk so that I'm not compelled to take as many trades, and really try to be more refined, because I am taking too many trades. I completely overtraded today. Shame on me. I'm embarrassed about it. I hate it. I mean, today, here's where we're at. Win rate 35%, not good. Average win loss was really good, predominantly because I have that big trade in there with take profit or UProfit. But you know, the month is great. We're still putting together a really nice month. We're up a couple $1,000 for trading micros. I'm actually quite happy with that. On the week, still up 1,500. So even with the Apex accounts and everything, we're positive on the week. So that is good. But like today, 156 trades. Now you have to divide that by 5, because I've got 5 funded accounts, and I did get reverse positioned a couple of times, but basically I took about 30 trades, right around 30 trades today, which is a lot, way more than I typically take. So I don't know. I'm going to ponder that this weekend, and maybe I'll make an adjustment here as we get into the last week of October here. So, but yeah, that's today. Let's look at the month, just kind of see how my win rate is. So we're up 2,000, win rate's 49%. And I have finally pushed my average win loss above that 50%, so to speak, or above the 1 number. 46.8 average winner, 40.9 average loser, which is good. I like seeing that, and yeah, just slowly building this thing up. So yeah, I don't know. I just have to get it out of my head that today could have been a $1,700 profit day instead of a $600 profit day had I kept my head screwed on straight and not mistraded my Apex accounts. But oh well, is what it is. But I will leave you with that. Have a good weekend, and you know what? Monday is just a couple days away, so then we get right back on this thing and try to put some more profit in the bag. So, all right. Once again, thank you. If you're new, feel free to like and subscribe. I try to bring these updates to you every day that I trade. And thank you also for using code BCT with Take Profit Trader and Apex, getting you the best deal with both of those prop firms. And they do have some great specials going on right now. So take advantage of that if you need to. And again, have a great weekend. Thanks. Appreciate y'all. And we'll catch up with you on Monday. Take care and so long.